Ano yung din yung mga palaniyasan?
Nabigay ko na.
That's a bit bad.
Ikaw mo.
Yasan is a good cook.
Enough. Don't,
It's closing.
what's closing?
The fire.
You have to make a
It's getting burned out.
page, Yasan.
I will do. Huh?
Page. YouTube page.
Anything. Anything.
You will be a vlogger.
Vlogger.
Later, buy for my book.
Talia! What are you doing, Talia? Huh? You're watching what?
Kaya mo, yun naman ang isang kayo doon ng matuyo.
Basang-basa naman yata eh.
Kaya nga, yung tuwalya naman ng isang kayo.
Basta ba yung buhok mo?
Yun na po sa parang mababasa.
Ang tagal-tagal ayaw lumubog sa tubig at malamig daw. Sabi ko, bumabad lang siya kahit sandali. Nung bumabad naman, pinaahon na nung guard. Talia, you want to go to the park there?
Mga tinda doon. Nakita mo yung mga tinda doon?
Liwanag doon. Yun, yun,
May tindahan daw daw.
yun ang pinaka-circle. Di ba? Yun ang circle?
Ay, mga flea market. Flea market?
Oh.
41. Mami lang binili itong ano. Dahil mo pang isaw-isaw lang.
Ay, ba? Ah, doon?
Oo, yung ang tarpon. Wala.
Ano ba? Maruya. Yung parang
Parang
maruya.
baruya.
Ay, yung bilog-bilog ba? Yung parang doon na?
I want one. Naubos na sila.
Yung ba yung nakikita natin, Di? Yung nasa may harap ng ano, yung bilog. Yung bilog.
Ay, yung nasa sa B1?
Sama kalas.
Para lang baruya eh.
O, ilagay mo na doon sa ano na. Oil.
Siguro gutom na, kaya minamadali. Gutom yan. O, see?
Suwada.
Sabi ko nga, huwag masyadong paypayan kasi parang yung hiti pumunta sa manok. Nililipad yung sa halip na maluto agad yung manok, nagtatagal.
Paano siya, tita? Magdali. Tama, nalimutan na yung skater niya. Pag nagluluto. Ay!
Ganun din, sasalawin mo, mahuhulog din kasi mainit.
Mainit.
Pag nagluluto na siya, nalilimutan na niya.
Alin yung?
Uy, yung mga paglalaro, tita.
Ah, oo. Malilibang.
I think we can make a restaurant, no?
Minsan nga ay nakakatuwa eh kasi pagdating ko nakaluto na siya.
Mm.
Magluluto na siya. Tapos pagdating ko kakain na lang ako tita.
Buti mas masipag na, no?
Oo, tita. Kahit hindi sabihan ni baba niya minsan pag ano, may masahe pa yun ha. Sabi ko, mukhang may gusto ka na naman. Kinakabahan ako, sabi ko eh.
Hinahihingin.
Kinakabahan ako pag kaganyan ka ako eh.
Ako ka.
No. That's for Kenzie, mama, sabi niya. No, mga kalas, I'm going. Naalala na naman niya.
Later we will go to the market. There, oh.
Only 2 minutes.
There, oh. The one with lights.
Yes, I went there already.
You went
Do you see the Flamingo Beach there?
Please, okay.
Yasan?
Go nuts scooter. This is the same one that I
They take this one. I'm telling to you.
No way, no way.
I will not take it back. If someone take it from you. No one will take. There's no one.
Why you don't put sit there
This.
on that one?
We're putting. We're going to few minutes. No, we're not. Oh. Oh boy, I want to go to. Where? Somewhere. Going out this way. Taking yan.
Yes, sir.
Baba, you want to go out and play? No taking at all. They take the scooter. What I will do to them? What? Yeah. Where?
watching? Dalia? 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 Iba? I cannot hear you. 1. Look at mommy. 1. Pag binilangan mo naman, susunod naman. Kasi hanggang 1 ka lang kasi hindi na siya magtutu. Later we will go there, the market.
You want to go to the market? Let's go. Let's go. Stop watching.
Yung scooter,
Dali, Ale. Stop watching and let's go.
No, one taking. Oh, it's card, you're not taking. They take it, don't touch it.
can you see someone using scooter?
No, they're using bikes.
Yeah, that's why. That's why because
Other side they're using.
they know that it's not allowed. That's why you cannot find anyone riding a scooter here, Yasa.
That's the point, girl.
Because for bicycle only.
Oh, bicycle, it's too allowed. That's also allowed. I can see you. I have very big. You will not stop. Wala, you didn't feel enough that you play a lot. I didn't play a lot. I'm trying very slow because not a scooter. Wala.
Dito ba ito?
Gamitin mo to.
Yung luto niya. Luto na ito.
Okay, nagatan mo na yan. Ganun pa yung pagkalagay mo doon.
Paano maluluto?
Kinagatan mo nga. Ganun po nang binabalik na ganun. Pumasok yung babad?
Ha?
Pumasok yung babad? Malungkot yung isa, oh. Kawawa naman. Malungkot ang boy. Ay, tsura.
I told them, you play, if you take it, I will not take it from them.
Yes, and بعدين هيجيبوه لنا هنبيع خطوط
Play,
المكافأة.
you play, I will take it from you.
Yes, and هياخدوه وبعدين هيجيبوه لنا